Let's break down how to fix spalling concrete without replacing the slab. Here's what you need to know. Most spalling on NC driveways and patios is a surface failure, not a structural one. Here is how to read your spall depth, pick the right repair material, and add 15+ years of life to a slab that looks ready for the dump truck. Quick answer. Most spalling on NC driveways, patios, garage floors, and pool decks is a surface failure that can be repaired for 1/3 the cost of replacement. The repair versus replace decision is set by spall depth and percentage. Under 1/2 inch deep and under 30% of the slab is reliably repairable with a polymer-modified overlay at 4 to 9 per square foot. Over 1 inch deep or over 50% of the slab is almost always replacement. The middle band, 1/2 to 1 inch and 30 to 50%, depends on what the substrate looks like underneath. Reading your own slab against those numbers in 20 minutes and identifying which of the 4 NC spalling causes you are looking at gives you the right answer before any contractor walks the property. Moving on to what spalling actually is. Spalling is the top layer of a concrete slab flaking, peeling, or pop-off in patches. You see exposed aggregate, the small stones embedded in the concrete, rough pitted areas, and loose chips on or around the slab. The depth varies from a paper-thin scale to deeper craters that expose rebar. The pattern is sometimes uniform across a whole driveway, sometimes concentrated near edges, joints, or downspout discharge points. What spalling is not is structural cracking. A spall is a surface failure. The top inch of the slab has come apart from the inch below it. The slab can still carry its design load. It just looks bad, and the exposed surface accelerates further damage if left unrepaired. The distinction matters because the fix for a surface failure is radically different from the fix for a structural one. We covered the broader repair versus replacement decision in our piece on concrete resurfacing versus replacement. Spalling falls into the resurfacing eligible category as long as the substrate underneath is sound. Next up, cause 1. Freeze-thaw cycling without an air-entrained mix. NC sees 30 to 70 freeze-thaw cycles per winter depending on elevation. Concrete that was not specified with an air-entrainment admixture. Small intentional air bubbles in the paste that give freezing water somewhere to expand into, absorbs water into its capillary pores. The water freezes and expands by 9%, and the surface paste pops off in flakes. Subscribe for more concrete tips. Thanks for watching.